Welcome to A2B Data, a uniquely positioned software program that will save your company time, money, and resources. A2B Data actively manages the data integration environment. It will free your resources to focus on other complex tasks. It ensures data accuracy by automatically generating data movement processes. Using this tool suite will minimize cost and expedite deployment. A2B Data was designed to save time and resources to gain immediate ROI on your data. By getting data where it needs to be in minutes instead of days or weeks, the value of your information can be realized quicker. A2B Data was designed to be the ETL tool of choice for business reporting and analysis. A2B Data gets information into the hands of end users faster from any source to any target. It helps build communication bridges and solidifies your staff's ability to deliver on time. A2B Data will reduce project risk as human errors are minimized. For more information on A2B Data software powered by Wintech, visit the A2B Data website, www.a2bdata.com.